Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Teacher. If you're here, it means you've decided to start learning English. Step by step. Slowly and clearly. I'm Tania, and by the end of this series, you'll be able to introduce yourself, have small conversations, and speak with confidence at the A1 beginner level in English. After that, you can move on to the A2 elementary level and keep growing step by step. This is Lesson 1, Introductions. We'll learn how to say hello, introduce ourselves, ask for someone's name, and say goodbye, all in simple, natural English. If you're a complete beginner, don't worry, we'll speak slowly. Keep your eyes on the subtitles. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Saying hello. In English, we start a conversation with a greeting, a friendly word that shows we want to talk. The most common greeting is hello. We spell it H-E-L-L-O. Notice there are two L's. Double L makes the sound longer. Hello. We use hello in almost every situation. At school, at work, on the phone, even in emails. It's polite and neutral. Example. Hello. My name is Tania. Hello, how are you? Now. There's also a shorter, more casual version. Hi. Hi means the same as hello, but it feels more friendly. You can say hi to your friends, classmates, or even teachers, if the environment is relaxed. Example. Hi, I'm Sarah. Hi there, how are you today? Remember, hello is polite for everyone. Hi is friendly and casual. If you're not sure which one to use, say hello. It always works. Practice. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Hello, how are you? Hi. Nice to meet you. Good. When you say these words, smile. In English, a smile makes your voice sound warmer. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, your smile helps. Introducing yourself. Now that you can say hello, let's learn how to introduce yourself. When you meet someone new, you tell them your name. We can say it in two ways. I'm David. My name is David. Both are correct. My name sounds a little more formal. I'm is more natural in everyday conversations. Example. Hello, what's your name? My name's Lisa. Or, hi, I'm Rachel. Hi, Rachel, I'm David. Nice to meet you. Just one question, one answer. Simple and polite. Common expressions. Let's look at a few examples. Hello, what's your name? My name's Sarah. Hi, I'm Tom. Hi, Tom. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you too. Anna. We say, nice to meet you after learning someone's name. It shows you're happy to meet them. Pronunciation and contractions. In real conversation, we often use shorter forms. My name is becomes my name's. I am becomes I'm. Let's practice. I am David becomes I'm David. My name is Lisa becomes my name's Lisa. Now repeat a short dialogue. Hello, what's your name? I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Good. Mini practice. Let's try together. I'll ask. You answer. Hello. What's your name? Perfect. Now you ask me. What's your name? I'm Sarah. Good. That's how we practice. By listening, repeating, and switching roles, saying goodbye. When the conversation ends, we say goodbye. The most common way is simply goodbye. We spell it Goodbye. The two O's make the sound goo. The letter E at the end is silent. Goodbye. We also have a shorter version, bye. It's friendly, short, and easy. You can say it to anyone, your friends, classmates, teacher, or boss. Other friendly ways to say goodbye. Sometimes we add extra warmth. Take care. See you later. Examples. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye. See you later. See you later means you'll meet again soon. If you're not sure, say goodbye or take care. In English-speaking countries, we say nice to meet you the first time. When we meet again, we say nice to see you again. Example, nice to meet you, Tom. Nice to see you again. Tom. Small details, but they make your English sound natural. Mini practice. Dialogue 1. Hi. I'm John. Hi, John. I'm Mary. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Bye. Take care. Dialogue 2. Hello. What's your name? My name's Allie. Nice to meet you, Allie. Nice to meet you too. See you later. Good. Common mistakes. Let's fix some common beginner mistakes. What is your good name? No, say, what's your name? I am called as Lisa. No, say, I'm called Lisa. How are your name? No, say, what's your name? Forgetting capital letters. No, always use a capital for your name and for the first word of a sentence when you are writing. Example. Hello, I'm Sarah. You write it with capital S. Not, hello, I'm Sarah, with small s. Little things make you sound confident. Practice sentences. Repeat after me, hello. Hi, what's your name? My name's Lisa. I'm David. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. Bye. Take care. See you later. Good. Mini quiz for you. Which one is more formal? Hi or hello? Hello. What do we say after meeting someone for the first time? Nice to meet you. How do we ask someone's name politely? What's your name? What's the short form of goodbye? Bye. What can we say if we'll meet again soon? See you later. Pro tip for you. Try talking to yourself in front of a mirror. Hello, I'm nice to meet you. Hi, I'm nice to meet you too. Simple practice like this builds confidence fast. Congratulations! You've completed Lesson 1, Introductions. Let's review what we learned today. How to say hello and hi, how to introduce yourself and ask someone's name, how to say nice to meet you, and how to say goodbye politely. You're doing great. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practicing every day. In our next lesson, Lesson 2, we'll talk about greetings and small talk, how to say good morning, good evening, and answer how are you? Naturally. So don't miss it. Subscribe. Repeat this lesson until you feel confident. Thank you for learning with me. I'm the English teacher. Take care, and see you later.